If you ever looked at designer furniture and thought, why does that look oddly familiar? You're not imagining. Today I'm going to show you how IKEA has been secretly mirroring some of the most iconic designer furniture and selling it for a fraction of the price. From mid-century modern sofas to high-end Scandinavian lighting, IKEA may not say out loud, but their catalog is full of hidden designer duplicates. Let's break it down the most striking examples room by room. Sofas. The upledgered looks suspiciously similar to the outline sofa by Muuto, designed by Anderson and Voll. One costs a few hundred, the other a few thousand. Kivik and Farlov. Marenko sofa by Mario Marenko. IKEA's Kivik and Farlov offer that same low-profile, pillowy comfort. Not identical, but the vibe is there, especially when paired with neutral tones. Lounge chairs. A Knesset and Wegner Classics. GE 290 B7727. Clean lines, wooden frames, recline angles, Knesset channels Wegner energy without boutique price tag. Also resembles Henrik Lee's B7727 chairs from the 60s. Frosset Shell Chair. GE 1936. IKEA's plywood construction isn't fooling anyone, but visually, the Frosset echoes Wegner Shell Chair silhouette surprisingly well. Lisabo, roundish chair by Naoto Fukasawa. Subtle curves, visible screws, less roundish but still elegant. Renige, lightwood chair by Jasper Morrison. Tables. Honinge and Honinge Gate. Jasper Morrison's lightwood table. Same designer energy, some minimalistic aesthetic, IKEA nails the details. Dog Sator tulip table by Eero Saarinen. A one-legged white wonder, perfect for creating that madman modernist look on a student budget. Throttern. Pyramid table by Win Reintveld, slim angled legs and understated charm, doubles as desk or a dining table. Lisabo desk. Arty desk by David Irwin. With a Red Dot Award and a Scandinavian touch, this one deserves a spot in any creative's corner. Lighting. NAMN. John Gasper's aesthetics. Minimal, functional, fits in any room. Evedal equals Jude lamp by Favaretto and Partners. Elegant, but almost too close. If you're spending this much on IKEA, maybe consider the real thing. So yes, IKEA is a copycat, but maybe that's not such a bad thing when it helps us get designer vibes without the designer bills. So let me know in the comments below if you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!